Hi, Veronica here with Joovy. Converting your Qool stroller from a single into a double is super easy. You're going to use the front adapters that look like this, and this will allow you to attach a second seat, bassinet, or even some of the other accessories. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So first thing you're going to do is remove these caps. These are just covers. And there's a little pin underneath that you squeeze and you just pull out the covers. So the front adapters are left and right specific. What you want to see is the bracket window facing inward. So that's how you know which one goes where. You'll just simply insert it into the front seat. And you'll hear a click. You can also pull on these to ensure they're secure. Once you've done that, you're ready to install a car seat adapter, a seat, bassinet, several accessories. And you can do that in just a couple seconds.